That's great. Well, speaking of the sun, we saw a lot of it today. However, it's April, it's Michigan, so we know that the beautiful stretch of weather isn't going to last, Karen.
We sure hope it would, but you know what, Kim, you're right. It sounds like we've got some mess on the radar. Let's bring in Ben, who's tracking some rain, apparently.
Yeah, Kim and Karen, the temperatures outside today, even though they're close to 60 degrees, still below average for this time of year. 61 is our average high. And those showers are coming tonight, but it does look like a lot of those are going to be after the sun goes down tonight. In fact, almost all of them. Let's start out with temperatures. That's the good stuff that's out there right now. Those numbers are in the 50s, close to 60 in some spots. And with those colder lake waters and the winds, at least somewhat coming out of the east, that's keeping everything just a little bit cooler there on the east side. 52 in Port Huron, 56 in Monroe. The city's at 54. But the west zone, that's where the warm temperatures are, 57 to 59 out there from Ann Arbor to Flint. Wind gusts are around 25 to 30 miles per hour, so a noticeably breezy afternoon, but we're really going to see those gusts ramp up as we get into tomorrow. Once we get into the afternoon, you see those wind gusts are going to spike. In a lot of cases, over 40 miles per hour there at about this time tomorrow. Then they start decreasing. That's still substantially lower than some of those wind gusts that we were looking at last week when we were so concerned about the potential for power outages. So that's good news. Here comes the showers, though. You can see that line starting to line up from northern lower Michigan back to the northern part of Iowa. That is sort of the leading edge of colder air that is going to work in here on Tuesday. So for the rest of tonight, dry conditions, but the showers come in around midnight and then should be done, at least the widespread stuff, as we get into Tuesday morning. Now, with temperatures falling, could be a little bit of some mix in spots there as we start out Tuesday morning, but that stuff's going to be pretty light. And again, into the late morning, early afternoon, maybe a couple flurries or a raindrop, and that's going to be about it. But the cold air looks like it's here to stay, especially on Tuesday. 36 tonight, showers, couple rumbles, but we're not looking for anything strong. And then this is how it's going to feel tomorrow morning waking up. Wind chills mid-20s to around 30 degrees in the metro zone. South zone wind chills will be even chillier than that out in Lenawee County, feeling more like freezing out there towards the Lake Erie shoreline. West zone wind chills, low to mid-20s there as well, and at least we're going to escape the teens, I think, in most locations. North zone awfully close there in Sanilac County, but it looks like low to mid-20s for those wind chills tomorrow morning. Numbers do come up Wednesday through the weekend. But again, low 60s, low to mid 60s are going to be the average high. So we're just not going to be quite there. And you'll notice quite a bit of rain chances there in the 7-day forecast, Kim and Karen. So enjoy the sunshine this evening while you can, because we're not going to see a whole lot of it in the forecast.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Ben.
We appreciate it. All right, let's check in with Victor.